Hey, my name is Kalam. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to exactly create a documentary video using AI. It's absolutely everything are free for joining this platform. First, if I going on YouTube, then search why football player wear marks. Why football is more popular than cricket. Then if I charge here, you can see here are millions views every single video. Then I want to try creating this type of video, and you can create in type of video like top 10 please, top 10 please to visit in Bangladesh, top 10 place in visit for Japan, and you can type anything here. And if you look like every single video are get lots of views is like 10 best place to visit in Japan, and it's around 3 millions of views. If I going to second one, top 10 things to do in Tokyo, Japan, it's got 1.1 millions of views this video. So I just copy this title, then going on Invideo.io. It's 100% free of cost for joining here. Once you have done login, you need to click on which type of video you want to create right now. Example purpose, I just paste on my title, then click on generate video. I'm waiting few seconds. After maybe less than 1 minute, this AI tool give me few option which type of video I want to create right now, how many long, and which AI voice I want to use right now. If you have your own voice, this is okay. You are also able to use with this platform. So I'm waiting few seconds. You can see it's already analyzed thinking. It's already working right now as my own method. Okay, once you have done this process, you need to select few options. So my video duration, I need only 4 minutes long. Then audience type, okay, this one good, and Japan lover, this is also a tourist, this is also good. You can select anyone. Then I created this video only for YouTube. If you want to create for Instagram, select Instagram. So I select YouTube, then click on continue. Then it's already creating start right now. It's 11% ready. Okay, once you have done this process, if you have found any mistake here, click on edit button. You can editing anything and everything. And if you don't like this photo, you are replacing by the another photo. Then music, you can import any background music, you can change any voiceover artist, and you can upload your own voiceover and everything you are doing here. And you can see this is a script. If you have found any mistake here, just a recorrection here. If you have found any stock footage you don't like this, you can replace it. Okay, once you have done it, everything are fine and good, and it's ready for downloading. Just click on download button, then select your preference like stock watermark, normal, and 720. It's for free processing. And if you have a paid plan, you can upload with subtitle and 180 pixel and no watermark. So first I recommend you for use free. Then if you are suitable and understanding and good relation with this platform, then you are going to the paid plan. So
hey, travel enthusiasts! Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just someone who loves to explore new places, today's topic is sure to pique your interest. Today, I'm diving into the living costs of the world's priciest city for 2024. This city has consistently ranked high in terms of living expenses, and this year it has taken the top spot. Can you guess where it is? Drum roll, please.
Wow, it's really beautiful and attractive. Now you are eligible for uploading this video on YouTube. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.